Attributes provide additional information about an element or a tag, while also modifying them. Most attributes have a value. The value modifies the attribute. In this example, the value of center indicates that the content within the P element should be aligned to the center. The align attribute is used to specify how the text is aligned. In the example below, we have a paragraph that is aligned to the center, and a line that is aligned to the left. The image tag is used to insert an image. It contains only attributes, and does not have a closing tag. The image's URL address can be defined using the src attribute. You need to put in the image location for the src attribute that is between the quotation marks. For example, if you have a photo named tree.jpg in the same folder as the HTML file, your code should look like this. To define the image size, use the width and height attributes. The value can be specified in pixels or as a percentage. By default, an image has no borders. Use the border attribute within the image tag to create a border around the image. An ordered list starts with the OL tag, and each list item is defined by the list tag. Here is an example of an ordered list. The output for ordered list has shown below. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Here is an example of an unordered lists. The output of such unordered list is shown as follows. Tables are defined by using the table tag. Tables are divided into table rows with the TR tag. Table rows are divided into table columns, table data, with the TD tag. Here is an example of a table with 1 row and 3 columns. A border can be added using the border attribute. A table cell can span 2 or more columns. Here is the output of such border. The example below demonstrates the colspan attribute in action. Output of such example is shown as follow. Now let's specify a background color of red for a table cell. To do that, just use the BG color attribute. And here this is the output.